$12.37.
What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
That's it though. Mickey D, Keynote, 725 shit, man. Mickey D, man. Look, I think I'm less of a writer, more of a thinker. I swear this verse is just a stream of consciousness. For a while, I got cocky over slight accomplishments. It's no love for oppressors and these plight apologists. I thought I made it clear. Mickey D's still cool as trees you hang from rearview mirrors. It's better when they fear his voice low, so I feel I have to scream so they hear us. Yeah, they thought that they would try us till they seen the team was near us. Always getting geared up. My darkest days come from reminiscing, thinking about the brightness when the light was here to cheer us. Now the shadows peered up, so I get up, take a drive. Imagine taking joy rides without a driver here to steer us. Lights in the rear, but
it is cold outside. Man, put this heat on. Just got done getting some groceries, man, at Wegmans. I'm about to head over to Roland's house now so we can put this video together for y'all, man. So I'll see y'all at Roland's house.
Welcome to MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs?
Come on in.
Oh, shit. It's your boy Tyrell. And we're at Roland's house. Go ahead and give him a little 360. You know what I'm saying? We at Roland's house. Alright, and as you guys already seen, I went to Wegmans and I picked up some groceries. I'm just gonna do this real quick because you guys pretty much already know what I got. Got some Nature's Own bread. Now I just recently came across this bread, man. This is amazing. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this. I got me some vegan butter. This is really good. Tastes like regular butter, man. You don't even know the difference. And I got some whole wheat spaghetti. So you already know what we're making today. That's spaghetti. And I got that Prego Traditional. This sauce right here is amazing, man. I love it. 2 cans of chickpeas, Garbanzo beans, but I'm only gonna use 1 for the video. And I got me a red onion. Now all this stuff right here, I got the receipt. It was $12.37. Go ahead and show them that, man. $12.37. So, just to give you guys a perspective view on this, if you go to Chipotle, right? And you buy like a bowl, some chips, and a drink, like it'll probably come close to $12. This right here lasts you a week. That Chipotle bowl only lasts you a day. Not even a day, like for me, 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta make sure you spend your money wisely. So this is a cheap, affordable, tasty meal, all right? Realistically, if you don't like, you know, bread and butter or whatever, you can just get that. You don't even need this. This is even cheaper because these 2 cans right here, I bought 2 of them just to show you. These are 65 cents each. You know what I'm saying? This is like $1. This is like $2. This is like $1.59. That's real cheap, man. You know what I'm saying? That's under like $6, $7, around that range. And that'll last you about a week. So without further ado, man, we're gonna jump right into this. Also, let me show you the seasonings we're gonna use. Got some basil leaves, that onion powder, that garlic salt, garlic powder, some of that black pepper, and we got some salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seasonings, all right? First thing you wanna do, get some water, put it in a pot. This is for the people that don't know how to make spaghetti. You'll be surprised how many people don't know how to make spaghetti. You just wanna fill it about halfway. That should be good right there. All right, put it on your stove. Show them this Iron Man stove, man. Come show them. Put on let's put on high heat just to get it hot faster. Once that starts boiling, we're gonna add the spaghetti. All right, so we're gonna do that. And while that's heating up, we're gonna cut up this onion. So y'all stay tuned. Yo, if you're watching this video right now, be sure to subscribe. We're trying to get 500 subscribers by Christmas.
What are you talking about?
All right. So you wanna cut your onions up, kind of like dice it. All right. Since I'm only using 1 can, that's probably good enough. If I was using 2 cans, I'd probably use a little bit more, but I use about 1/4 of it just for 1 can. You don't want to have more onions than you have chickpeas, you feel me? You don't want it to overpower the spaghetti that you're making. Put this on the skillet, let it saute a little bit, and then we're gonna add the spaghetti to the water. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in there. Let that get nice and cooked up. See how that looks, nice and cut up? So we're gonna let that get nice and sauteed, and then we're gonna add the chickpeas to this. Water's pretty boiled. Show them this real quick. So you know when it's boiled, when there's like, you know, little bubbles in there. For those people out there that don't know how to cook, you know what I'm saying? Grab like a little, I'm gonna cook for me and Roland. Just take some spaghetti, man. See that? Just put it in there. Now what some people do is they break it up, it kind of cooks it faster. But I'm going for that, what's that movie called? Lady and the Tramp with the little dog. I'm going for that type of spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna just let that cook, and eventually it's gonna break off and get in there. But while it's like that, just add a little bit of salt so it don't stick. Add a little salt. I'm gonna work on this. We're gonna add the chickpeas to this, and we're gonna add the seasonings. I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. Onions is nice and sauteed. I'm gonna add those chickpeas in there. You're gonna do 1 can just for the video, but I have another can I'll just save for later. Just add that in there, man. See that? Just add it in there. And you're just gonna let that just let it marinate, man. Let it blend together. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasonings as well. You don't need a spoon. You don't need a measuring cup. Just go by sight, man. Just go by the soul. You feel me? Just go by the soul. I love garlic powder, man. It tastes so good and everything. Ah. So go ahead and I like to just go over the top with it, man. It's like it's snowing right now. And it's cold in Virginia. Actually, the garlic salt, you want to say this for later. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with this. We'll get that onion powder though. Onions with onion powder. I love onions. Put a little bit of that on there. Oh, this is basil leaves. Let me get the oregano. Yeah. You want oregano leaves. I might have messed it up earlier, but you want oregano leaves, not basil leaves. All right. Just get some oregano. It can be grounded or it can be, you know, just like this with the leaves. That's fine. You want to season your food up, man. You got that black pepper. Black pepper. Official chef black pepper right here. You know what I'm saying? This ain't the little shakeout pepper. It's the Nas of the, you know what I'm saying? This is what the chefs use on the Food Network. Hey, Food Network. If you want your boy Chef T on there, man, hey, call me. Food Network, if you want me on your show, call me. Me and my boy Roland gonna come through. We're a package deal though. You can't have me without Roland. We're a package deal. You feel me? So you want me and Roland to come on, hey, get y'all some views. Get y'all, you know what I'm saying, get y'all some views. Get y'all some ratings. Get y'all some ratings. Hey, call me, all right? Chef T is available. Put black pepper on there, man. Just mix it up. See that? Oh man, we're just getting started, baby. Now also what I'm gonna do, just to give it like a little bit more taste, is I'm gonna add some of that vegan butter too. That vegan butter in there. Just mix it up, man. So, got this cooking up. Spaghetti's cooking. Once the spaghetti is done, you'll know it's done. You want to taste it and see if it's still hard or if it's soft. You want to drain it. After you drain the spaghetti, you're just going to add everything to the pot. I'm going to show you what it looks like when the spaghetti is done. So y'all stay tuned. Spaghetti all drained inside the pot. Go ahead and add those chickpeas. And the onions. Oh boy. Look at that magic right there, man. Looks lovely. Let's mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna add the sauce. Alright. I'm showing this, man. Oh. Once again, man, I'm not measuring this. I'm just eyeballing it. Just do that. Oh man. Just get that. Oh man. Nice, easy, tasty. I wish y'all could smell this, man. Oh, it just smells like love inside of a pot. There's a pot of love. I'm gonna toast this bread and I'm gonna put some butter on it and I'm gonna plate it. So y'all stay tuned. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna put the finishing touches on it. Remember I said I was gonna use this for later, the garlic salt? I already put the butter on there. It's kind of melting inside that bread, but you just sprinkle it on there, man. And it's like garlic bread. Look at that, man. I can't leave y'all without a taste test, you feel me? I like to spin it up like this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video.
What are you talking about?